DiSC. I've been there and done that. I took DiSC back in 1972, or I took DiSC 2 years ago. What's next? Well, let me suggest this. Why don't we have what's next be nothing for now? And the reason being is that assessment that you took way back when, if you'll have another look at it, if you will dust it off, you will find all sorts of gold in there for you right now. I had this process and experience myself just in the past couple of days. I was preparing for a productive conflict Q&A session, and I revisited my DiSC productive conflict assessment. I was stunned at the material that I saw in there that I've far from mastered, far from remembered, and far from applied. Now, I also saw some things in there that dramatically I've improved since I first took that assessment some years ago. So my point is this. If you've taken an assessment in the past, especially DiSC, and really any other assessment, don't go chasing the very next assessment or the newest thing, necessarily. Pick up and dust off that old assessment. If by chance you've taken one of those assessments with us in the past, reach out to us and let us know. We'll pull it up for you and resend it to you. In the meantime, continue learning and growing.